Hey, just here to check out the latest Tai Lopez. Heard he's a new up-and-comer. I don't know if many people have heard about him. He's sort of gone a bit under the radar. Just the latest thing. Just here to check out the Tai Lopez Airbnb and home sharing management business. 24 hours, 70% off a scholarship. Looks something pretty good. So, just going to go in there.
Got less than 1 day, less than 24 hours to get into this new private test group. What's the biggest opportunities for you to start a business to create extra income? If you don't have much money to start, if you don't have great experience, less than 1 day, less than 24 hours to get into this new private test group.
Okay, less than 1 day to get into this. Less than 1 day.
What's the biggest opportunities for you to start a business?
The biggest opportunity, okay. Already.
To create extra income.
Extra income.
If you don't have much money to start, if you don't have great experience, if you don't have good credit. I've talked about some of them before: social media marketing agency, e-commerce. But I'm gonna tell you a new one.
All right, excellent. He's gonna tell us a new one. What is this new one?
Not so new, but it's pretty new.
Not
you
so
can get in
new,
early.
but it's pretty new. Okay, good. Not so new, but it's pretty new. What could it be?
Early on this one. It's using Airbnb, VRBO, and other websites to start a home sharing management company. Simplest thing ever. You got an extra room where you live? Rent it out on Airbnb.
This is the latest thing? Listing out your bedroom?
VRBO. You got a friend whose parents have a vacation home? Go to the parents. I'll teach you the script, what to say.
Go to the parents. I'll teach you the script. I'll teach you what to say. What do we say?
You say, hey, that place is just sitting there. I'll rent it out for you on Airbnb for between $100 and $500 a night, and we split the money 50-50. I'll do all the work. So I've got a training program. We'll train you how to do that. So you go to somebody who's got a house just sitting there, and you say, look, it's just sitting there. You can show it. You show it every Sunday to people, prospective buyers. Let me rent it out Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday for you and split the money with you 50-50. One of the people teaching the course, Tony, he follows my social media. I flew him up to New York, the office. He recorded how one home he has, not even a mansion, is generating $10,000 to $12,000 net. He's going to net $120,000. He's working 2 hours.
Okay, he's got a house that's not even a mansion. He's netting $12,000 a month. I assume that's a month. Is that what he's saying? 10 to 12.
2 hours a month on it. He's got VRBO. He's got a whole system. I've got multiple people training. We'll give you the exact scripts of what to say to people, how to find the property, what to avoid, how to build a VRBO listing, or obviously an Airbnb listing. This works. Cool thing is, Airbnb is in over 100 countries. So it doesn't matter. You don't have to be American. I've got non-Americans teaching and training. So click the link below. Get in on this. You don't have to be first to a new idea, but you got to be in early. Facebook.
Yeah, I'm guessing you don't have to be first to an idea. Yeah, you have to be in early. This thing's been around for, as far as I can tell, 8, 9, 10 years. So I'm not sure where he's going with this.
Facebook wasn't the first. Mark Zuckerberg wasn't the first, but he got in early.
Sorry? Mark Zuckerberg? Mark Zuckerberg's on Airbnb?
To build a social network, and he profited financially from that. It's a lot harder to start a Facebook now. Same with this home sharing idea. You know, I taught people social media marketing agency in 2016. You can still get in, but it would have been better you got in 2016. I'm telling you, mark this day on your calendar. Some of you are going to get in the real estate game the best way that I know for beginners, or even people who are.
I tell you what, if this is the best way he knows to get into real estate, in a bit of trouble.
You know, more advanced, but don't have a lot of cash sitting around. You don't have to own the property. You just got to get the cash flow from it. And this is a way to get the cash flow from it. So click the link below. We've got a special test group. So here's the thing. The test group, you've got less than 1 day, less than 24 hours to get into this.
Less than 1 day. This was posted 2 weeks ago. So why am I still seeing this?
New private test group. I'm headed inside. Good luck. I opened this up and we've already got like 500-600 people got in it, and just like yesterday or the day before. So get in early. I'm headed inside.
Now, maybe I'm a bit of a business beginner, but if he's got 500 to 600 people already signed up and demand's high and we're rushing to get into it, why is it 70% off? I always thought if there's demand there, your prices increase. In this occasion, prices are going down. Why? The demand's out of control. He's already had 500 to 600 people sign up in one day. Crazy.
Good luck.
Good luck. You're going to need it. Let me just come down here. See, does it say how much the course is? The Empire of Entrepreneur. In this video, Tai Lopez, Airbnb and home sharing management business, talks about the 24 hours, 70% off partial scholarship that he is doing to their student to enter the Tai Lopez Airbnb and home sharing management business. Oh, I'm excited. All right, I'm going to go click the link. What? Yes, I'd like to join the B&B Formula program and learn how to start my own Airbnbs. What? $1,000? $1,000? Oh, he's got some testimonials in here. So it's already been, as he said, you've got to be early to these things. But this person's already bought the course a few weeks back. Oh, and they're loving it. Thank you for putting it together to make my Airbnb goals a reality. I had a verbal agreement for a property within 8 days of starting the course, and another landlord lined up willing to accept our short-term rental model. What is this rubbish? $1,000? Oh, it's got some testimonials. Located 4 properties in just 4 months. Now makes $3,200 a month profit. Doesn't have to work. This is interesting. Yeah, I like that video from Tai Lopez about Airbnb. It was really quite interesting. I would probably give that around a 6.5 out of 10. Some very interesting things in there. I did get a bit bored towards the end, a little bit overboard with the testimonials. The ADHD really kicked in and I basically trailed off and lost all interest altogether. But anyway, if that's your thing, I'm sure there's something that you can learn from that video. I look forward to my second video, which hopefully will be coming along soon on more financial things. Thank you.